Well, hello. Hope you guys can hear me pretty well now. So it's not my typical Sunday ride kind of moment right now. I have something specially planned. Ooh, dogs. Yeah, so it's a different bike I'm gonna ride today, not my Domina. This bike I would close my eyes and exchange it for my Domina, because it's such a beautiful bike, and I don't think I should give any intros. Let's go see it ourselves. I am fixing the Peak Design mobile mount to my speed. This bike is so good. So we've got a Scrambler, we've got another Speed, we've got a Trident, and we've got a Tiger Sport 660. We've also got a Speed Twin in the back and an SP125. I mean, it feels weird because this is an analog. I'm so used to just reading the numbers just displayed over there. I'll have to make sure I look at the analog speedometer. Ooh, peppy. Well, you might find something missing on my bike, and voila. So I don't know what is up with speeds. Every time I take out a speed, not every time, like 2 in 3 times, there is a bloody mirror missing, and it's always the right mirror. Yeah, and there's a whole flashback to that story. So yeah, we are heading out to Shoolagiri, where we'll be heading out having breakfast, and then we'll be going to 2 places. So yeah. The thing is, it's so smooth and it's so under stressed that 100 really doesn't feel like 100 at all, and there's barely any wind blast. Damn. So yeah, my right mirror fell off while I was riding. I literally tightened it in the morning while I was fixing my mount. Yeah, and I have no idea why the mirror decided to cut. Should have seen the confusion on my face when the mirror literally fell down in the middle of the road. The thing is, it's a test ride bike, so I'm not really confident with it because we don't know how it's been treated and everything. So I'm just gonna, take it slow and peaceful. At the breakfast point, I haven't put maps, but Prateek in front of me has put maps. Where is this place?
Have your maps on?
No.
I don't know where they are.
They're having breakfast, they're not going to the dam. we had lost our way, and now we are meeting up with the group back over here for breakfast. We went straight.
Huh?
We went straight. I thought he was going there only.
Are those your mirrors? Where do you get your mirrors?
No, not mine. These are not mine.
Ah, the bike mirrors.
Bike mirrors. Ade, so, I tightened it today morning and it just fell.
Quite surprising.
At least it didn't break.
Yeah. No, that's what, like, immediately we saw something fall down. I thought some cloth or something fell off of you.
Was it cloth?
Cloth because it is waving around.
With breakfast, and now we're heading out to our first location. Right now we're near Shoolagiri, and it shows about 17 kilometers to the first location. So yeah, let's go there. Listen to that inline 3-cylinder. Absolutely lovely. So easy to saddle, absolutely easy to saddle on this. And shit, I've kicked reserve. Front, it's in, yeah, it's showing that. Ooh, off-road. Ooh, the ABS is actually really intrusive. I'm losing the front end in the soil or sand actually, which is normal. You gotta sit where you have to sit, you gotta stand where you have to stand. Bike pogma. What a beautiful place this is. Where's that sound coming from?
A few minutes later.
So now we are going to our second spot, which is around 35 kilometers from here. And no, I will not be naming the spot because, yeah, people may take advantage of that and all. That is Rohil on the speed twin. Ouch! Pain. Traction control, dude, proper. I mean, there is a little wheel spin, but run wide, run wide, run wide. Good off-road place. Not that bad also. Like, you don't feel like you're going in speed at all, to be honest. The thing is, right now I'm going somewhere around 60 and I don't feel like I'm going 60. I feel like I'm going 30 or 40. I gave that bike off because it had no front brake, quite literally. Yeah, so this one has got the handlebar risers, so it's a much more comfortable seating posture, ergonomic. It's also got crash guards, it's also got, you know, saddle stays, top rack and a backrest as well for the pillion. So yeah. So we're done with the second location and now we're going back home, but we'll be stopping for a few refreshments on the way. Fucking butterfly went into my helmet. those of you who are new to the channel, hi, I'm Motocrit. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, please do share the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And we're picking up a Triumph, baby. Oh, bloody Triumph. How do you go there? We have to go straight and take a U-turn on the main road. I think it's about 3 kilometers in front.
We could have just taken the service road inside there.
Ah, shit. Yeah, fine. Well, thank you for joining. Those who are new to the channel, I'm Motocrit or Motocritic on Instagram. Okay.